Hi everyone, this time I have the unboxing of my new 2018 Mac Mini refurbished. So let's start it. This is the package. So what's going on? This is the one that has the 8th generation Intel 6 core i5. So as you can see, the main difference in the packages is that you don't have the picture of the Mac Mini here. You only have just one label that says Mac Mini. Okay. There you go. It says Mac Mini, no picture, and it says Apple certified refurbished. Same specs, label, the back. That's all in the box. So let's see if this has any kind of a easy way to open. No, there's not. So I have to use the super knife that I have here. So I'd say around, I think around 150 or 180 dollars with this purchase, and since the product is too new, I thought that I should go with the refurbished instead of the regular. This is not the first time that I buy Apple certified refurbished product. In the past I have bought I think an iMac, and I never found any issue with it. I think the only issue per se is this one, that you don't have the picture of the device in the box. The way that I feel the box, I think it's the same as the original. I'm sorry, the new one. I don't know how this bubble. Should I open or? Oh, yeah, it's just like that. So there you go. So you have it, Mac Mini. I had their previous Mac Mini, and I want to go with this new version. So the paper, so just like if you would buy it brand new. It's here. Yeah. It looks like new. I'm trying to find if there's anything that can tell me that this has been used in the past or something, but no, nothing. Even the Apple logo is perfect. So let's remove this. Go. Great. The nice 4 USB-C Thunderbolt port, HDMI, and 2 regular USB, fan, Ethernet, and the AC. Let's see what else we have here. The paperwork. Oh, seems this. Oh, look, it was open, and I think it's. Well, we have basically the same as it was new. I don't remember if this one I have seen that they give Apple stickers. Oh, there you go, Apple stickers in white. I don't know if I remember seeing Apple stickers in gray for this one, or it's just for the MacBooks. but yeah, it was open. It was, yeah. And oh yeah, the cable. It's very difficult to open these things. Oh no, ignore what I say. Also, the cable looks brand new. All right. Well, this was just a short video. Mainly was to show you if there's any kind of a mark or something that can tell me that this is not a brand new product. Or I mean, I know that it's not brand new, and I know that it's refurbished, but something that can show any sign or mark that you can say, hey, this was not perfectly refurbished. But no, it looks great. So let me I already plug it in the Mac Mini, and I choose to restore from the time machine backup that I had from my previous Mac Mini, and it told me, that I need to update this Mac Mini because it seemed that I didn't have the latest version that I had on the previous computer. So while that is downloading, I'm gonna show you all the ports that I'm using here right now. As I mentioned it, this one has 4 USB-C, 1 HDMI, and 2 USB, regular USB. So in this case, my keyboard, which is just a PC keyboard, that's keyboard, uses 2 USB, regular USB that I attach here. This is 1 HDMI. As you can notice, I'm using 2 monitors, and the way that I'm doing this is one is connected to the HDMI port, and the other one is connected through this adapter that I bought from Apple, which converts from USB-C to HDMI, one regular USB, and I think it's another extension of USB-C in case that you would like to charge it, because it's intended for laptop, but I could use here. So that's how I connected the other monitor with this adapter. And this is just a regular USB-C to Lightning for my iPhone. And that's it. It looks good so far. So I will show you whenever it's done.